Captain Madrazo give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Ah,
Shit, we got some heavies on us, homie.
you kidding me? Kid, can you do something?
I'll try, man. Try.
We can handle this, right? Screw 'em. Got one of those bastards.
Yeah, my nigga, that's it.
All right, let's go back home. Wow, shit. You did good. I mean, your aim's all over the place, but you were a help.
Thanks. I guess.
Hey, don't get defensive. Go to a shooting range, work on your aim. You'll be fine.
Oh, fuck, man. Shit, you good?
Fine as wine. Got a few knots. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid. Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.